Thank you. Someone can't get away from that cake.
No, we'll maybe blow the candle out some more in a minute. Maybe we'll let Owen practice for his birthday. Lainey, you're like a little old lady opening her present.
Except for you're not saving the paper.
Yeah.
Go.
Thank you.
Apple pie.
Thank you.
Go. Me. Go.
Thank you.
Go.
Thank you.
Go. Down.
What'd you get? What is it?
It's a pie.
It's a surprise?
Here.
Yeah, turn it around. There you go.
Give it. Give it, Daddy. Here. Look. Here.
You gonna pull this part right here?
Yeah. Oh.
Whoa.
What is it?
You know, just look at it. Smile.
Hey, it's
What did Lainey get for her birthday, Owen?
get it. It's not very good. Get it, Mommy. Get it, Daddy.
We'll start opening it. And you want to start opening your other presents?
Yes.